Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to make a plum sorbet with rose water and lime. Slice the plum, removing the pits, and place them in a saucepan. Add the water, the sugar, the juice of 1 lime, and the rose water. Turn the heat on to medium and mix everything together. Cook until the mixture thickens. Let it cool completely and then freeze it in an ice cream machine for about 30 minutes. When the sorbetto is ready, place it in a pan. Cover it with parchment paper. Freeze the sorbetto for at least 2 hours. The sorbetto is set and looks beautiful. Let's try. It has a very deep plum flavor. I love it. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.